If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Lunar Classic video update. Now people are scratching their heads and thinking what is going on with Lunar Classic. We are pumping, it's looking strong, are we gonna go up and this and that? Well, honestly, we never know. Lunar Classic is gonna pull out the next, there's always a trick of the rabbit. Whatever the magicians can do, they can do. But one thing is very clear right now. The charts is a little bit messed up, I know, but what I do have, I have to leave this chart as it is. So if you see these lines and you're confused what's going on with the lines here, first of all is that you do have this one resistance, second resistance right there, and then you push to the upside. And I look at this resistance being retested again at 11,150, and there's a technical target to go down there. So previously we did have this, left shoulder, head, the right shoulder, and that actually takes you all the way down to 13,000, which actually was met. We actually came down to 13,000. I gave you this green box some few months ago. People was like, hey, when we were up here, no, it's never gonna go down there. And look, after that, after a long time of waiting, we actually went down there. And I don't see those people commenting anymore, by the way. That's the funny thing. I don't have any people anymore who are actually coming to bullshit this channel anymore. They're gone. They're not even seen anymore. Where are they? It's getting boring. Can you bring them back, please? Now, we do have this particular pattern right here that just broke out of and actually takes you all the way down to $11,500. Now, at the moment, the last time that I talked about this coin is that we did have a ascending triangle, and this ascending triangle, normally in most cases they're bullish, and we broke out of the ascending triangle, met the target. I wasn't expecting it to break out so quickly, but it did actually just break and shoot up very quickly. And that's the kind of things that I don't like. I like things that actually break out, take a little bit of time to move sideways, backtest things. But Lunar Classic has been a poor performer at backtesting. It doesn't really backtest, just shoots and goes up, and then later on it starts to sell off. Now at the moment, the technical target is met, the ascending triangle has played out, and that's it. We're wrapping the ascending triangle. But if you notice one thing here, then you do have this level of massive rejection for Lunar Classic right now, and one massive rejection is at 20,000 and one is right here at 18,398. And that's why I told you even before, even if you're gonna pump up here, I don't think we're still bullish anytime soon. This is more like a corrective corrective move of a downtrend, and it's not anything significant to say that, oh, we're gonna move up. So basically you could even create a double bottom here, which is gonna be this first bottom right there, second bottom, and this is a trend line that is actually being confirmed right now. So you do have one touch here, second touch there, one touch here, and broke out, came back again to that very same place, getting rejected again right here. So if you somehow just come up above here, try to even move sideways, this whole zone right here is still a big resistance for Lunar Classic. I'm just gonna drop this zone right there. So you need to get above here because you have a massive rejection in general in this whole space right there. You do have massive rejection, and that's almost like a supply zone. This is known as a supply zone. Whenever you come to a zone where you get rejected and start to move down, that's just the supply zone, and this is now going to be your demanding zone, or basically this green box is the whole demand zone. So you started with the first wick here. I do expect it to visit that demand zone again and visit the lowest part of the demanding zone box, and that's why I dropped that green box like it's a whole range right there. So I still think and believe that it can actually drop down there. Point of invalidation always remains up here to this 27,000 level. That's pretty much it for this update on Lunar Classic at the moment. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.